Welcome to Eswatini Global TV, your #1 online center for entertainment, music, drama, and TV shows.
Sitobe sibambisene nawe kusukela elangeni lekucala lomalungiselelo akho size sifike esukwini lakho lomshado. Sivakashela indzawo yemshado. Sitolo sekuhlobisa, bapheki, labagcokisa titolomisi, makoti nemkhwenyana, kanye nalo wenda likhekhe. Senda siciniseko ukuthi konke kwendeke ngekuhlelembiseka esukwini lwakho lomshado.
Ukuthi namuhla umbukele udaba nelithuba lekusibona sonke kangihambi ngedwana ngihamba nalijale lihle lelitawutitfula kodwa sibongene ukuthi mbukeli wethu sihambe nawe saze safika la le namuhla sesifika ngasemaphethelweni elihlelo lethu noko lesethemba silitawuphindze lisukume masinyane. Mine njengoba besolo senawe mbukeli ngidisho ukuthi ngingimake futhi Sunshine Dlamini.
Sethembiso noma kusiso sethembiso umfana nami thona usengalungela ukufa ngithi invozakati yami isengalungela ukufa uyangiva thona njenganyalo na umnyango uvuliwe phuma endlini yami.
It makes no difference.
So what are you going to do now?
I don't know really because namakuwa nguthi about the English test lesibhalile.
Hello girls.
Hi. Ngamtshela ukuthi Mr. Ngwenya wathi toilet next week. Ngacala nje emanga.
That's so sad, dear. But let's hope you'll make it this time.
Yalo ngegama lika Jesu ngithi phuma.
Ina. This is high school, girl. Umtsala na ungaka. Cabanga ukuthi utawenda njani.
Sorry, my friend, but Nangbuya, I'll give you all the details, the juicy details. The atmost now.
What God do you have to say a teacher is handsome? Or you want to force yourself on him?
Sorry, we're not in the same category. Excuse me.
And I've seen a lot of kinds of trees out there. The jacaranda is the most beautiful tree.
Ingashayisa phela. Mfundisi. Sayivela ishayisile. Beyond repair.
Wathi wena ukuphatha kahle. So ngabe uyi-virgin.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook for real entertainment locally and international. Do it now, subscribe.